Alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to avoid scams on Upwork. I'll talk about most common scam types that happen on Upwork, how to avoid them, and what to do in case you come across a scam job post or scam client. Let's get started. Firstly, what is a scam? According to a Google search, scam is a deceptive scheme trick used to cheat someone out of something, mostly money. And on most scams, like almost all the scams on Upwork, are related to money. What are the common scams? The first one is communication of platform. Mostly, client will ask you to move conversation to WhatsApp or Telegram. Second common way is promised reimbursement. They will ask you to pay money in order to get hired and to start the task. Thirdly, underpayment, where client promises you to pay 5-star feedback for a very big task that costs lots of time, but they will pay you very little money. This is a scam, or it can be called underpayment too. Next, how to identify a scam. Firstly, scams will have vague job description. They will hide lots of details. They will hide the company name. They will hide what skills they're looking for, how many years of experience they need. And they will mostly hide very essential parts of the job post because they want to reach as many people as possible. They make the job very easy, very vague, so that anyone reading the job post can apply and be their victim. Secondly, they will promise overpayment. They will promise to pay very high amount of money. Not like if that's very common because people are more likely to apply to jobs that are high paying. But if the cost, like the payment, is very over the average market cost, then I would suggest not to apply. Thirdly, many open jobs, no money spent. The client will have lots of jobs, but they will not hire anyone on the platform on Upwork. They will mostly ask the interviewees to move to email, WhatsApp, other forms of communication. And unverified payment method, yeah, so if they're not gonna pay you, if they are just scammers, why would they bother verifying their payment method? Impersonation, 99% of the scammers will say, I'm from this company, I'm this person, and if you look for that person or if you search for that company, it will not appear, or they will not be the employee of that company. Here are two examples of a scam job post and a normal job post, a reliable one. Let's go through the scam. They're looking for content writer. Okay, what type of content writer? What topics they ask? Here, if you read this job details, content marketing has become an indispensable part of digital marketing strategies. If careful combined with SEO, the visibility of the website is greatly enhanced. You don't feel like you're reading a job post, it's like an essay. And they say they're looking for an experienced writer to help create amazing pieces, and blah blah blah. They don't specify the topics, the experience, the skills they are looking for in that content writer. And they want to hire 4 freelancers. While normal job posts, reliable posts may also hire many freelancers, it's not always the case. In most cases, reliable, like the valid job posts, hire only 1 or 2 freelancers. Thirdly, about the client. Client has not verified their payment method. While this can be, good clients may also have this unverified payment method, but this can also be a red flag combined to other factors. and they have no hire rate. They have not hired anyone, but they have 2 open jobs. And yeah, let's go back and read the valid job post. Here they're looking for intercom integration. They're talking about the task, not about the content writer, like the job. Okay, what do they need? They need a full stack web developer to integrate with intercom's various modules. Require, like, we also have some other bit and bobs that require doing search bar, some design, and so on. They're specifically highlighting the tasks, and they are verified. They have spent 60k plus on the platform, and they usually pay $28 per hour. This looks like a valid one, definitely. Okay, now here I want to show you an example of a scam document that was sent to one of my Telegram followers. Basically, they were asking her to convert images to text, and they were paying like a really good amount of money for that. Here is the introduction. They are Lionbridge Technologies. If you search for this on the internet, I'm sure it won't appear, or I'm 100% sure that it's not them. Project types. Here is the interesting part. Insurance deposit to be paid by employee. So they are asking the employee to pay the money to deposit, and they will give you 550 at the end. Total images, 20 images. You can convert 20 images to texts in a day or in half a day, and you can get $500 for that. No, you can't, because it's a scam job post. They have lots of project types. If you pay more money, you are promised more payment, which will never happen. And here it says project guide for projects. Project guide for projects. Doesn't sound good to me. Let's read this part. Deposit, the refundable insurance deposit via Neteller, Payoneer, Skrill, PayPal, or as a crypto wallet address. Okay, you need to deposit the money first. After that, fill out the form, and via WhatsApp or email, not Upwork. This is a job that was posted on Upwork, but they are asking to contact outside of Upwork. Wants to inform via, again, email. And here it says payment will be made outside of Upwork, definitely. This is a very common type of scam. You may, if you are on Upwork, you may come across such job posts, such PDFs, project guides, similar ones, and be aware that they are totally scam. Let's move on. Here, what's next? So you have come across a scam, you know how to identify it. How do you report it? Firstly, if a client is rude to you, or if he is asking you to contact outside of Upwork like this, not like this, in such an exam, let's imagine, in such a message, you can go to this 3 dot and report that message. Select the type, add additional details, and send the report to Upwork. Of course, I'm not gonna report this message. And here, from your job posts, if you come across a scam post, you can open the job, and here it says flag as inappropriate. You will choose a type, why it's inappropriate, and add details and submit. By doing that, you will make this platform safer. And now I want to go through some job postings with you and examine them. The first one is Vue.js required, developer required. Okay, Vue.js developer, Laravel as backend, as frontend. They need lots of task skills, I think. Implement relevant APIs. They have ready APIs, I hope, but it's vague. They wanna pay $10 per hour. Payment method is verified. This is good. Good reviews. Hire rate is low, but they are still hiring. That's good. 5 hires, 6K spent. That's okay. And you can also read the reviews. This is not a scam job, but I may say they are somehow paying under the average amount, market value. Vue.js developers will get higher than that per hour, but it depends. If there is a new freelancer coming to the platform, $10 per hour is not a bad amount. Second job, posted 1 hour ago. Hi, we are seeing for professionals. I think, I'm not sure they are from Atlanta. Okay, we newly launched a new company. They have payment method verified. New member. They list the skills. It is not a scam, I think, but still I wouldn't apply to such a job because the client doesn't know what he wants yet, and this may cause lots of problems in the future. So let's go on. You can also identify whether it's scam or not by looking at this without opening. Here it says payment method verified. He has good stars, reviews, 200K plus spent. This is reliable. This is also not a scam. Not scam. Not scam. Not scam. And here we have payment unverified, no reviews. Let's go to this one. Read the description. This doesn't sound a scam. This sounds like a normal job post. Payment method not verified. This may be a red flag, but if you see this, you should look also this part. It says member since January 20th, 2023. He's a recent member and it takes some time to set up the payment method. Maybe he is doing it right now and will have a verified method in a few days. And he has this rules or what? Questions, skills and expertise. Everything is clearly defined. I don't think this is a scam. This is just a new member. This is not a scam. Yeah, and that was it for the experiment part. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you have experienced scam cases, if you were a victim, please share your experience in the comments. I will be reading and replying to your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. I'll be sharing Upwork related top videos in my channel. And this is my Telegram channel. You can also join my Telegram channel if you haven't yet, and I'll be sharing more data there, more information there. And I think that's all for today. Thank you. Stay tuned. Take care.